Hello! Greetings from Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Happy birthday, Russell! Wishing you lots of joy, love, and happiness. Wishing you good things for the years ahead. May the next half century of your life be as wonderful as with the first half. Congratulations on your 50th birthday. Have a great day and God bless. Hugs and kisses for you virtually from Mami Conching. May.
Hi!
You-
Sige la!
and GR.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Bye.
Hi Russell, this is Ate Sally Mo. It's another year for you. Happy, blessed 50th birthday. And I hope you're having a good time. 50 is a good number. I was there before. I'm still there. But I wish you a best birthday ever. And I hope one day you, Edith, and Apo will stop by and see me here in Idaho. So, warm happy birthday to you from my grandkids, my children's, and myself. Take care and happy healthiest birthday to you. And I'll see you soon, maybe this summer. Okay, love you all. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Russell. God bless. Happy birthday, God bless. Happy birthday, Russell. Yan, madya kami at abo.
Golden boy.
Yes.
First apo.
Yeah. Golden boy. Happy blessed birthday lamut. Inibang ko'y mamaya man bati itane. Gapi kay bada. Kasilya laman. Long and satisfied life be yours. And enjoy your day. So, happy birthday ulit. And God bless. God bless. Bye.
Many more birthdays to come.
Bye.
Hello. Have a nice day, Russell, and wishing you, all of us, a very happy 50th birthday. And we are here in Manila. We have opportunity to do this little video and to wish you a very happy and blessed birthday.
We are in
BBC.
we are in BGC. Once again,
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Viel Glück und Gesundheit. Alles schön, ein schöner Tag. Cheers.
Okay. Okay. Sing.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. You.
happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Lieber Russell, birthday. Lieber Russell, birthday.
Russell, happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you. Birthday, love you, Russell. Enjoy your day.
Do love you and happy birthday.
Hello, Russell! Greetings from the Philippines! Libsong West, Lingayen, Pangasinan! Happy birthday!
Wish you a happy 50th birthday and have more birthday to come and hope before 55 you'll be home for retire.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Asingdirla! Happy birthday, Russell!
Okay.
Enjoy your day! More beer to come!
More bird to come. More bird to come.
Happy birthday!
Bye!
My brother Russell, the golden boy. Happy birthday, Brad. Enjoy your birthday and you are now a heritage man. Abba, my son, what can you say about my brother Russell?
Are you gonna give loot bags?
Happy birthday, Bayaw! Nasabi na nila yung mga gusto kong sanang sabihin sa'yo. Ito na lang na happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and we love you. Bye-bye!
Anong masasabi mo? Ina. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Tito Russell. Greetings from Philippines. Dito.
Sige.
Okay, happy 50th birthday. Today marks not just another year, but a beautiful milestone filled with wisdom, strengths, and stories that shape who you are. Reaching half a century is celebration of every triumph you've earned, every lesson you've learned, and every life you've touched along the way. May this new chapter bring you deeper, peaceful, stronger faith, and even greater joy. May your days ahead be filled with good health, laughter, and the warmth of people who truly love and appreciate you. You are a testament to a life we live. May the next 50 years be even more meaningful, purposeful, and blessed. My son,
Happy birthday.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Russell!
Happy birthday. Love from Florida.
Best wishes for you. Hope you have a wonderful celebration and happy days ahead.
We love you.
We love you, Russell.
Happy birthday, Bayaw! Happy 50th birthday! More birthdays to come and good health. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bayaw. I love you.
Golden boy!
Yeah,
Happy
golden boy.
Happy birthday, Bayaw!
Oh, birthday!
Birthday! Alam mo na yan! Inuman na!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
We love you! God bless!
Happy birthday, Russell. Salamat na pulis pa rin ng panangaro. Alit-lit na sa panangaro. Wata na sa Canada. Sinta mo sa Silina. Sa Jaro. Kumong. Kakarukod yun siya katawan niya. Ganto kami. Nagbukuin na bilay. Kasi na laman. Happy, happy, happy. And more birthdays to come. I love you.
50th birthday, Russell. More birthdays to come. Salamat sa pagtulong at pagmamahal mo sa amin. Good health and God bless you always. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Russell!
Happy birthday, Kuya Russell, and more blessings and birthdays to come, and we wish you a Merry Christmas. Hindi, pero ayun, I hope you enjoy your day, and tawa siya ng tao. I hope you enjoy your day, and yeah, sana masarap ang mga pagkain dyan. Pahingi na lang, padala na lang from, padala na lang dyan. Tapos, di ba, masarap. Pero yun, happy birthday. Ano sabi mo?
What he said.
Hi, Fuen. First of all, I would like to greet you a happy IPS birthday, Fuen. I wish you all the best and God bless you more beyond your expectations. See you soon, ma Fuen. God bless, and again, happy IPS birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happiest birthday to my most handsomest kuya ever. We love you.
Happy birthday, Russell. Thank you, anak. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Russell. Thank you ulit sa ulit-ulitin. God bless and thank you very much. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Russell.
Happy birthday, Russell.
Happy birthday, Russell.
I'm Rosa, you say. I'm Rosa.
Rosa.
Yeah.
Ruth.
Happy birthday, Russell. Mother-in-law ni Auntie Shirley. Nalagaan ko.
Yeah.
So, binabati ka namin ng happy birthday.
Okay.
Marami pang birthday na darating para sa'yo.
On Russell.
And, on Russell.
Yeah.
Many birthday to come. Diba, Mother?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Russell! Happy 50th birthday! May all the blessings of the Almighty God keep you, give you content of your heart, peace in your heart, and good health. Welcome to the club! 50th. Okay. Look after yourself. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Russell! Happy birthday, Tito Russell!
Cha-cha-cha!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito Russell!
Cha-cha-cha!
We love you! Bye-bye!
Hello, Kuya. How are you? Happy 50th birthday, and I wish you all the best. Good health, more blessings, and thank you very much for everything. I love you. One more thing. Save a cake for me. That's it. Take care always. I love you all.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya. In behalf of our family, kasi busy ang mga bata, may pasok, tas si Raya, may deliver. Hindi na naharap. Pero, andito ako na ako yung magre-represent ba. Happy 50th anniversary, good health, and more blessings to come.
Okay, happy birthday ulit, Kuya. Bye!
Hi Russell family and friends. Alam ko na nag-i-enjoy kayo lahat dyan. Maligayang kaarawan Russell at mag-ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday Gege. Happy birthday Gege. Happy birthday Russell.
Hi! Selena ito. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, Kuya Russell, happy birthday! Sana makita tayo in the future ulit, mag-reunite tayo. And with Ate Edith and with Kuya Jared. So, I just want to say I love you guys! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Again, happy birthday, Kuya. I love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Russell! Happy 50th birthday, Kuya. And good health always and ingat kayo palagi dyan. See you soon, Kuya.